Hello, in this video we will see a very useful utility tool for Windows called PC Manager, which will help you to boost your PC performance, manage your storage, clean up files, health checkup, and even find duplicate files on your PC. And so in just a moment I'll show you where to download this and use it on your computer, and we will also explore some of its features, many other things. So first thing, let's get the app. Open Microsoft Store on your PC and search for PC Manager, and you might get a lot of results, but look for this one, PC Manager from Microsoft Corporation. Click on Get and install the app on your PC. Once the app is installed, you can search and open the app. Once the app is started, click on Get Started. You might want to keep this to start automatically when Windows logs in. And this is what the interface looks like. And as you can see, you have a boost button using which you can instantly boost the PC performance. It will clear up the memory and it will clear up temporary files instantly. Much like the file cleaner apps that you find on smartphones nowadays. Besides the instant PC boost, you have health check, you have processes to look at, you have deep cleanup and startup. So using this, you can clean up your startup apps as well. And as you can see, you can disable startup apps right from the PC Manager interface. So whichever apps you need on startup, you can keep it enabled, otherwise you can disable it from there. You can use the deep cleanup to clean up more temporary files from your system. Let it scan and it will give you recommendations what to clean and what not to clean. So I started deep clean and it is already finding some gigabytes of temporary files that can be cleaned up from the system, and it gives you so many other options to clean up additional files as well, so you can go through them one by one and clean them if you don't need it. So as you can see here, we have more items to clean from system, and likewise you can go through each item one by one and see if you need to clean them. So I have gone through the items one by one and I have more than 4 gigabytes of temporary files to clean. It's cleaning now, and temporary files from 2 browsers are not clean because they are open. We can click close and clean. Now let's explore some other features in the app. Let's look at the system protection. From here you can manage virus and threat protection, Windows update, pop-up management, restore default apps, and this is the storage management where you can do the deep cleanup, find large files, find duplicate files. You can find large files in any of the disk partitions. You can also find duplicate files in any of the disk partitions. This is a very useful feature if you want to clear up some duplicate files. And we can also access storage sense from here. Storage sense is an inbuilt feature in Windows that intelligently scans for any temporary files that can be cleared, and it also provides you recommendations. You can access storage sense by going into the settings, system and storage, and it automatically scans your entire system and also gives you recommendations what files you can clear. And you can also schedule some auto cleanup activities. And besides that, we have app management, from where you can also manage your apps. You can uninstall apps right from here. You can also manage your startup apps. And next up we have the toolbox here, from where we can access other Windows tools such as Notepad, Calendar, screen capture and things like that. And finally, let's look at the settings. If you want to enable Smart Boost, then you can also enable this. If you want PC Manager to start automatically when you log into Windows, you can also enable or disable it from here. Now let's look at the duplicate file finder. We can select the drive or the partition on which we want to scan for the duplicate files. And once the scanning is complete, you'll get results like this, and all the duplicate files are categorized into documents, compressed files, videos, pictures and things like that, and you can select which one you want to delete. Now let's see how to uninstall apps from PC Manager. We can pull up the PC Manager from the system tray if it is minimized, and let's look for deep uninstall, and using this you can uninstall apps directly from here. Let's see, yeah, I think I don't need CC Cleaner anymore, so let's uninstall this. So all in all, this is a very useful tool for Windows computers to boost performance of PC, clean up files, find duplicate files, and also uninstall applications, all from a single interface. So if you want to try this, you can go to Microsoft Store, download the application and try it for yourself, and let me know in the comments if this is helpful for you. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you so much.